It's going to be 4 of 1, right?
Okay, she said 1 over 4, but there's another way to say the fraction. How do you say this fraction? 1
1/4.
1/4. There you go. Good. So it's 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. Okay, so just real quick, in your mind, think of an answer for this. When you've got an answer, give me a thumbs up. And I will start taking answers.
I have one.
I can see you have one by your thumb up. You don't need to tell me. Okay. Taylor, do you have an answer for this one? Do you have an answer for this one? Okay, what's an answer that you have for this one?
3/4.
Taylor says 3/4. All right. Manuel, what do you say?
4 over 4/4.
Okay, 4/4 is what Emmanuel says. How about Michaela, yes? What's an answer you have for this? Using your mental math.
2/4 equals 1 whole.
Michaela says 2/4 equals 1 whole, but it looked like you were guessing.
I agree with Emmanuel.
Matthew Romble agrees with Emmanuel.
Me too.
Cameron agrees with
I
Emmanuel.
would say a 1 whole.
I agree with that.
Zachary agrees with Emmanuel.
I do too.
Okay, so Taylor, just real quick, tell us how you got 3/4.
All I did was guess.
All you did was guess.
Yeah.
Okay, so Emmanuel, a lot of people agree with your answer. How did you get 4/4?
By using touch math, like 1, 3, 4.
By using touch math, and what did you do? You added up which numbers?
1,
The 1, 2, then what?
1, 2, 3.
You added this one to this one,
No, the top.
the top,
Yeah.
the numerator, right? You did 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, and you got 4. And then why did you leave a 4 at the bottom?
Because you told me the denominator always stays the same.
It's true, the denominator does always stay the same. So Manuel got 4/4. Thumbs up if you agree with that answer.
I would just say 1 whole.
All right, and we have Matthew Johnson says 1 whole.
1 whole.
1 whole. And why did you say 1 whole, Matthew Johnson?
Because 2 of the numbers is the same.
Which
Correct
two numbers?
answer.
Which 2 of them?
The top number
The top number and the bottom number.
and the bottom number. The numerator and the denominator are the same. So Matthew Rombo, we know that that equals a whole.
Yeah,
Very good.
4 over 4 is
4
like
over 4
is
equals
equals like 1
1
whole.
whole. Nice. Very good. Okay. All right, let's do one more quick one. Okay, so we have all right, so someone read me this mental math problem real quick. Yes.
2 over 3 plus 2/3 plus 2/3.
Yeah. 2 over 3 or 2/3, those are the same.
I already got an answer.
2/3 plus 2/3 plus
I got
2/3.
it.
Oh, Matthew already got an answer? Give me a thumbs up
I'm
if you got an answer.
guessing
Cameron, do you have an answer for this one? Mental math? There's your thumbs up.
6/3.
Okay, so Matthew R., what you already have an
I'm
answer?
guessing 2 holes.
2 holes is what Matthew R. says.
I agree.
Cameron agrees, and Yasmin agrees, right? Anybody else agree with Matthew or have a different answer?
Me and Michaela, I think we have 6 3s.
Okay, Michaela and Emmanuel say 6 threes. How do you write that? 6
Over 3.
over 3. 6/3, you could say. All right, so Michaela and Emmanuel say 6/3. Yes,
I
Zachary?
agree with Michaela and Emmanuel.
Zachary agrees with Michaela and Emmanuel. JV, who do you agree with? Emmanuel. All right, so Emmanuel, tell us how you got 6/3.
Because the 3 always stays the same, and I use touch math.
The 3 stays the same, and you use touch math to add these 2's together?
Yep.
So 2 plus 2 plus 2 you found equals 6. Very good.
You are smart in
Well, I have good news for everybody. Both answers are acceptable, right?
Both answers?
Yes, because let's figure this out. So we have 6/3 over here. You could also look at this as 6.
Yeah,
Let's draw the diagram really quick. Okay, so what's how many sections are going to be in my diagram?
3.
3, because why?
Because the denominator stays the same.
The denominator stays the same, and the denominator also tells us how many.
Right there.
Austin, you ready for math? You're starting your math, Austin? Okay, all right, so we have, our diagram only has 3 in it, because that's our denominator, so each diagram has 3 sections, so the first 2, 2, 1, 2, plus 2 more, 1, 2, plus 2 more, 1, 2.
Wow.
All right, so we filled out a whole one diagram here is all full.
You filled a whole nother day.
A whole nother diagram is full. And then we don't need this diagram.
So that's 2 holes.
So we made 2 holes. 1 plus 1 equals 2.
So both of them are correct.
Exactly. You guys all nailed it. Good
So
job.
Matthew and Michaela and me are correct.
Yep.
Yeah, the 3 of us are correct.